Okay, hi friends. We're going to spend a few minutes reviewing how you use the new voter lookup tool, which is available on any election or primary day for assistant registrars and moderators to use. It's simple, it's quick, it's easy. You can do it from any device you bring with you to the polling place, a cell phone, an iPad, a computer, whatever it is that you can use to access the internet in a portable fashion. So to get to the product, you're going to go to greenwichct.gov, which is the town's new website address, /voter lookup. That's going to push you to a page where it's going to ask you for a PIN number. You will get the PIN number the day before the election, and it'll only work on election day or primary day. And then it will be turned off and a new PIN will be assigned when the system is restarted for the next election. So you'll put in the secret PIN and click sign in, and you'll be directed to a basic page that just allows you to put in a first name and a last name, and it works on any portion of a name in order to provide you with the results. So as an example, if I put in my name, Fred DiCaro, you will see that I get back one result. I put in a very specific name. For every voter, it shows the voter's name, their street name and street number, and a unit or apartment number if there is one, their district, their party, whether they're a first-time voter who absolutely must show one of the federally required forms of ID, and whether or not they are active or inactive. You can also put in just a last name, and this will show you if, for instance, someone may have changed their first name or something like that, or haven't be registered under a nickname, you're not sure, you could just put in a last name and you can see all of the people with the last name DiCaro. And my wife, for instance, Alice DiCaro, her nickname is Meg, and so most people know her as Meg DiCaro, but she is registered under her real name of Alice. So simply put in any last name, you can put in a first initial, and you can see here's Michael Aurelia, Democratic Registrar of Voters, his address, his party affiliation, and he is active. Now you'll notice for some of the folks when I looked before, it also showed if they were inactive. And of course, you can restore an inactive voter at the polls. So this is a great way of checking to see if somebody is not on the paper list at your polling place. You can use this tool to check and see if they are registered to vote, to see if they are inactive, or to see if perhaps they are registered at another polling place, in which case you would follow the procedures we provided to transfer them to their new polling place. So again, all you need to do is bring your own device to the polling place with internet access, and remember to type in greenwichct.gov/voter lookup, and you'll be able to access this on primary or election day. Thank you so much. Have a great day.